In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this BLACKVIEW. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called DevCheck device and system info. This one. It has to be from Flarto developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your BLACKVIEW's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!